Alright, today I got this Brinks deadbolt. Says high security. Looks like a quick set keyway, I think. Anything else important on here? Bump and pick resistant. What it fits in. I'm sure that there's some keys in there somewhere. Screwdriver. Alright, let's see if we can get in here. Feels like number 2. And number 1. 3. 5. Should just be 4, but 4 doesn't really feel like. Well, there's 4. I got to click out of 4. Another click on 5. Maybe 3. There we go. 3 must have been a little high set. All right. Adjust this camera a little bit. And go ahead and lock that back up. We'll go ahead and gut it. I think it's all probably like standard pins. I didn't feel any counter rotation. That one pin I did have to set twice. I don't know. I guess it could be serrated, but it probably just, I didn't set it all the way the first time I hit it, or it fell back down when I was setting another pin, or I kind of doubt that it's a serrated pin, but we'll find out. Do not remove this decal unless rekeying cylinder. All right. what the key looks like. Key works perfectly. All right, let's find a follower. I think that's the right one. I'm actually pretty surprised at that key, how quick I got that open. That's pretty good bidding. I like that. That was 5 and that was 4. Excuse me, sorry about that. Get that camera centered up a little bit better there. That does look like a steel pin. Probably that anti-drill they were talking about. Well, that looks like a spool. Not a very deep spool, but it is a spool. I didn't feel any. Well, if that's the only spool, that's a zero lift pin, that, you know, that spool wouldn't have come into play at all. Anyway, I think that looks like it's standard. Oh, there's another spool. And a standard. And the springs are all the same. So I didn't feel the spools. I know why I didn't feel the one in number 2 there. Like I said, that's that super long key pin in a zero lift position. This one, I'm surprised I didn't feel that, but probably because it wasn't the last one. I think 3 was the last one I set. I don't remember, but either way, it didn't take too long to get that figured out, even with that good bidding. I think if you rearrange these a little bit, maybe put the spool on either 3 or 5 instead of on that zero lift position, might give it a little bit more pick resistance. I don't know. It says it's bump resistant. Maybe I'll try to bump it in another video or something, or try to rake it. Those shallow spools, I imagine aren't going to give it a whole lot of resistance against raking or bumping, but maybe I'll put this lock back together and try one of those. But I'll do that in a different video because this one's already about 10 minutes. So thanks for watching.